Okay, so here a farmer raises wheat and beans on 215 acres. If he wants to plant 30 more acres in wheat than in beans, how many more acres of each should he plant? Okay, so let's look at this. Wheat. It says he wants to plant 31 more acres in wheat than soybeans. Okay, so if I take my 31 plus my soybeans, that's going to tell me how much wheat he's going to plant. Soybeans, I'm just going to call S. So for wheat, anytime we see wheat, we're going to use 31 plus my S because they want 31 more than soybeans. My soybeans is going to be S. So this one's a little bit easier. It's not the two different terms. Now let's see. We need to come up with an equation. It says the farmer raises wheat and soybeans on 215 acres. He wants to plant 31 more acres in this. So a total of 215 here. So if I take my wheat, 31 plus S, plus my soybeans, S, it's going to total 215 acres. Therefore, I'm just going to solve this. Since this is in parentheses, I don't need to distribute. I don't need those parentheses. So really, this is 31 plus S equals 215. I'm going to combine these here. I get 31 plus 2S equals 215. Then I'm going to subtract my 31. Therefore, I get 2S equals 184. And lastly, divide by 2. Therefore, we get 92. So I'm going to have a total of 92 acres of soybeans. Okay, but I still need to find wheat. So my wheat was 31 plus S. So 31 plus 92 is going to give me a total of 123 acres of wheat. So let's see what answer is that. We get soybeans 92, wheat 123, which is choice B here. All right, number 2 here. We have Terry and Juan earned $650 from one investment of $15,000. If Terry invested some money at 4% interest and Juan invested the rest at 5%, how much did each invest? Okay, so Terry and Juan both invested they earned $650 from 1 year. They invested $15,000. So Terry plus Juan, both their investments totaled $15,000. Now, their interest, we're going to look at here. Terry invested at 4%. So 4% is 0.04 times my Terry, plus Juan invested at 5%. So 0.05 equals my Juan, equals how much I made, $650. All right, so again, I need to either solve by substitution or elimination. I'm just going to use elimination because, again, I like that the most. Here we have 0.04, so I want this one to be negative 0.04. So I'm going to distribute negative 0.04 to everything. Negative 0.04 times t, negative 0.04t. Negative 0.04 times j, negative 0.04j. And negative 0.04 times 15,000, I get negative 600. I'm going to rewrite the bottom one just the way it is, because I didn't have to do anything to that one. Okay, so my t's are gone. A negative 0.04j and a positive 0.05j, I get 0.01j, and I'm left with 50. Divide everything by 0.01. Therefore, I figure out that Juan invested $5,000. Now, if Juan invested $5,000, we still need to figure out how much Terry invested. So we're going to use either one of these equations. The first equation, Terry plus my Juan, we just found out was 5,000, equals 15,000. So all I have to do is subtract the 5,000. Therefore, we get 10,000. So Terry invested 10,000, Juan invested 5,000, which is choice A.